Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I will make chicken using this recipe here. Using tomatoes, canned tomatoes, garlic, 1 onion, basil leaves, salt and pepper, and this is the chicken breast. You can use boneless chicken breast, and I'd like to use that one with the bones. And I will get this ready and see you guys later. I just cut the chicken breast in half. So what's this? Yeah, it's nice to have a boneless chicken breast, but it's okay. I like chicken breast with bones too. So now I'm just gonna put this in this is a slow cooker. So I will put the chicken breast in here first. Add this half of this 796 ml diced tomatoes. This is canned tomatoes. I use half of it. This is the two garlic cloves, chop it up, and the 1 onion. And then about 1 tablespoon of basil leaves. And salt and pepper. And I'll cook this in a slow cooker for 3 to 4 hours on high, or you can use 6 to 8 hours on a slow cook. And see you guys later. Let's check my chicken. Oh, look at this. It's looking good. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you again on my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.